Hello my dear friends, have a nice day. Today we discuss about alkaptonuria, the inborn errors of metabolism. I am Dr. V. Mahindramani, Assistant Professor of Biochemistry, Islamia College, Waniambad. So inborn errors of metabolism is an inherited metabolic disorder. That means a disorder is transferred from one generation to another generation through parents to newborn. That results from defect in a gene, in a chromosome. There are 3 million nucleotide sequences there, more than 30,000 gene is there. The gene is responsible for the production of enzyme through transcription and translation. So if there is a defect in a gene, a genetic code, that leads to defects in the enzyme production. That defects generates a abnormal chemical reaction that disturb the normal metabolic pathway or biosynthesis, that results in the accumulation of toxic substances behind the block, the enzyme deficient in the product. Most of the enzymatic reactions in the inborn errors of metabolism are inherited through autosomal recessive disorder, that remainder being either autosomal dominant or X-linked inheritance. Today we discuss about alkaptonuria with reference to inborn errors of metabolism. Alkaptonuria is a rare inherited genetic disorder. It occurs when a mutation of a gene responsible for the production of enzyme, namely homogenetic dioxinase. This enzyme is used to break down the toxic substances called as homogenetic acid. Deficiency of this enzyme leads to accumulation of the homogenetic acid in our body. This alkaptonuria is a rare disorder. It is estimated that it occurs 1 of every 250,000 to 1 million live birth. The alkaptonuria is caused by mutation of a gene that encode homogenetic 1,2 dioxinase, a gene. It is autosomally recessive disorder. That means that both of your parents must have the gene in order to pass the condition to next generation. See, this is the phenylalanine tyrosine pathway where the enzyme defect is homogenetic 1,2 dioxinase. This leads to alkaptonuria, the accumulation of homogenetic acid in system. The mutation or defect in the homogenetic acid gene which causes lack of enzyme homogenetic dioxinase. This causes a buildup of homogenetic acid in the bone, cartilage and the urine. This homogenetic acid is an intermediate in the degradation pathway of the amino acid phenylalanine and tyrosine in the Krebs cycle. This alkaptonuria, otherwise called as black urine disease or black bone disease, is an inborn errors of amino acid metabolism. It is a rare inherited genetic disorder. We already discussed it occurs 1 in every 1 million people. It happened in the phenylalanine to tyrosine metabolic pathway. It is an autosomal recessive condition. That means that both parents must have the gene in order to pass to their progeny to the next generation. There is the unaffected carrier. That means father and mother who are unaffected do not show any symptoms of the alkaptonuria, but in every progeny there is a chance of 25% of genetic disorder. The mutation in the homogenetic dioxinase gene, HGD gene, makes the body unable to properly break down certain amino acids, namely tyrosine and phenylalanine. That also leads to tyrosinosis and phenylketonuria. As a result of the substances that accumulate in the body homogenetic acid in the skin and other body tissues. The acid leaves the body through the urine. The urine turns brownish black when it mixed with air through oxidation process. The buildup of homogenetic acid causes your bone cartilage to become a discolored and brittle. That typically leads to osteoarthritis, an inflammation in the bone, especially in the joint and the spinal, a large joints. People with alkaptonuria also have urine that turns brown or black when it exposed to air. The symptoms of alkaptonuria includes a dark spot in the sclera or white in your eyes, the thickened and darkened cartilage in your ears, a blue speckled discoloration of your skin, particularly around the sweat gland, a dark colored sweat or sweat stains, black earwax, kidney stone and prostate stones due to accumulation of homogenetic acid as a stone in the kidney and prostate glands. Arthritis, especially in the hip and knee joints. These are other symptoms like stenosis, that's a buildup of talc, pigment in the connective tissue such as cartilage and skin, tendinitis, the inflammation or irritation of tendons, kidney or prostate stone, kyphosis or hunchback, that means arthritis, especially in the spine, that get worse over time. Darkening of ear and dark spot in the white spot in the eyes in the sclera or cornea. Alkaptonuria can also lead to heart problem because that homogenetic acid is accumulated in the arteries of heart that makes hardening of walls in the heart. The buildup also causes your blood vessels to harden, that raises your risk of high blood pressure. This results in aortic and mitral valve disorder. In severe cases, arch valve replacement may be necessary. How it be diagnosed? Through urine test, through a DNA test and prenatal test. In the urine test, the urine is mixed with ferric chloride that leads to change in color to black that indicates alkaptonuria. The gas chromatography to took for traces the HGA in the urine. DNA testing like a microarray to check the mutated gene of HGA, and prenatal test amniocentesis or chorionic villus sample can be done screening before the delivery of a baby. The diagnostic test shown the urine is black color when you add a ferric chloride, and other test is available to detect the alkaptonuria through DNA kit methods. Treatment. The treatment of alkaptonuria is aimed at a specific symptoms. There is no cure, no treatment specific for the alkaptonuria, but we have the treatment for the different symptoms. For example, activity that plays a significant physical stress to the spine and joint should be avoided. To protect the spinal injury and other things, the physical stress to be avoided. The patient receives anti-inflammatory medication or narcotics to treat a joint pain. A physical and occupational therapy to maintain the strength and flexibility of muscle and joints. Some individuals require surgical interventions. Dietary recommendation: high vitamin C, low protein diet with some amino acid like phenylalanine, tyrosine, to help to reduce the level of HGA. Egg, meat product including pork, lamb, beef, chicken, dairy product like cheese, milk, it should be strictly avoided for the alkaptonuria condition, both the pregnant woman and the baby or after birth. Aspartame, the artificial sweetener should be avoided. The protein should be avoided, but minimum requirement of phenylalanine and tyrosine required for other protein synthesis. So we should be maintained the level of phenylalanine and tyrosine between 3 to 15% for proper synthesis of other proteins. So thank you very much, my dear participant. If you like this video, subscribe it. Thank you.